Moto G9 Power with Snapdragon 662, 64MP triple camera launched at 11,999 rupees. Motorola is following up the launch of its affordable 5G smartphone in India with the budget-centric Moto G9 Power. It is an elder sibling to the Moto G9, which launched back in August, and brings some meaningful upgrades. The Moto G9 Power boasts a bigger display, humongous 6,000 mAh battery, and a 64MP triple camera module. It was first unveiled in Europe last month. Moto G9 Power specifications. This smartphone looks like a more premium offering than the standard Moto G9. You have a square cutout with 3 cameras and an LED flash module at the top left. It is helmed by a 64MP f/1.8 primary sensor, along with a 2MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. This camera setup is a little disappointing, as we would have preferred an ultra-wide lens over a macro lens. The rear also includes a physical fingerprint sensor hidden in the Moto logo. Moto G9 Power features a 6.8-inch HD Plus LCD panel with a standard 60Hz refresh rate and 1640 by 720 pixel resolution. The punch hole cutout at the top left includes a 16MP selfie camera, and there's a huge chin at the bottom. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 662 chipset, the same as the standard G9 in India. The chipset is coupled with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of built-in storage, which is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card. You will also find a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 20 watts turbo power fast charging out of the box. The smartphone runs stock Android 10 with some Moto customizations on top. This includes Moto Actions, Gestures, and the MyUX toolkit for added convenience. Moto G9 Power includes a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, an IP52 rated water-repellent design, and more. Price and availability. Moto G9 Power is priced at 11,999 rupees for the single 4GB plus 64GB variant in India. It will be available in 2 color variants, namely Electric Violet and Metallic Sage. This device will go on sale starting from 15th December, exclusively on Flipkart and popular retail stores.